Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to solve Saxon Math Course 3, Lesson 119, practice set, the complete practice set, actually. So 119 talks about complex fractions, and we are given a set of complex fractions here, and we are going to solve them. But the method we are going to use is, there are two methods to solve it. The first one is, first, we need to use the identity property of multiplication on it and multiply the both denominator and numerator with a common denominator. So what does it mean? Let's take a problem and solve it instead of complicating it. Let's say A. A is 2 by 5 times 2 by 3. Okay, we need to know the common denominator between 5 and 3. So what does it mean? It means a number which is divisible by both 5 and 3. For instance, if we take multiples of 5, let's take 5, begin with 5. Is 5 divisible by 5? Yes, it is. But is 5 divisible by 3? No. So let's go ahead with the next multiple of 5, that is 10. Is 10 divisible by 5? Is 10 divisible by 3? No. So the next multiple of 5 is 15. Is 15 divisible by 5? That's correct. And it's divisible by 3 too. So what do? 3 by 5 by 2 by 3 is multiplied by 15 by 15. That's the identity property of multiplication. So it means 2 by 5 times 15 by 2 by 3 times 15. We are going to simplify it. So it's 6 by 10 or 3 by 5. That's your A. Okay, now B. 30 by 5 by 6, which is nothing but 30 by 1 times 5 by 6. The common denominator, it is 6 because 6 is divisible by 6 and 1 as well. So that will be 8 times 3, 180 by 5, which is nothing but, what's our total? 180 by 5. Okay, let's, I'm trying to see if I can simplify it faster. Okay, let's simplify with 5 times 1. And 5 times 3 is 15. And 336 is your answer. Okay. The next question is C. What is C? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. First, let's try to solve each numerator and denominator separately. Let's do 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. That is common is 6. 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 6. Then the denominator part, the least common factor is 4, sorry. Here it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So 8 means 4 plus 2, that is 6 by 8, which is equals to how much? 3 by 4. So 1 by 6 times 3 by 4 is your complex fraction. Now how are we going to solve it? 6 times 4 is what? 24. So 24 is divisible by 6 as well as 4. What other number can be done? Let's go factors of 6. Probably 6 is divisible, not divisible. 6. The next is 12. 12 is divisible by both 6 and 4. So it is 1 by 6 times 12 by 3 by 4 times 12. So let's simplify. 2 by 9 is your answer. That is C. And let's do D. D is 2 by 7%. Okay. Now, how do we solve this? It is, let's elaborate. 14, 2 by 7 by 100. So we have an improper fraction. Let's convert it into proper fraction. 14 times 7 is how much? 98. 98 plus 2, that is 100 by 7 divided by 100 by 1. Let's say if the 7 is the common denominator, so it's going to be 100 by 700, which is 1 by 7. That's your D. Let's do E. 8, 1 by 3%. Again, the same way. 8, 1 by 3 by 100. Converting the improper fraction to a proper fraction. 8 times 3 is 24. 24, 25 by 3 by 100 by 1. So again, the common denominator between the three. So we do property of, let's do property of, identity property of multiplication. That is 25 by 3 times 3 by 100 times 1 times 3. That is 25 by, is it 300? Yes. So your answer is sorry about that. Okay, that's correct. I'm sorry, I'm just taking the question again. 1 by 12. Okay, the next question. F. 4 1 by 6%, which is 4 1 by 6 times 100. Again, converting the improper fraction to proper fraction, that is 25 by 6 by 100 times 1. And if you take the common denominator, it is 6. 25 by 6 times 6 by 100 by 1 times 6. That is 25 by 600. That is how much? 1 by 24. That's your F. That completes your complete